Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cheng Nyak. Today I bring you a tragic and heartbreaking story from Sudan, a place already suffering from war, famine and displacement. A United Nations convoy carrying life-saving food and supply has been attacked on its way to help starving families in the city of Al-Fashir. According to a joint statement released by the UNICEF and the World Food Programme, the convoy was made up of 15 trucks. It was carrying emergency food and nutrition for children and families suffering in Al-Fashir, a city in North Darfur that is currently experiencing extreme hunger and malnutrition. These attacks happened near the town of Koma, and 5 people were killed. Several others were injured. These were humanitarian workers, people risking their life to help others. Now they are dead and the supply never reached the people who need them the most. The United Nations said all parties in the area were notified about the convoy route in advance. This is standard practice to protect and work and ensure that food reached innocent civilians. But that didn't stop the attack. Under international law, humanitarian convoys are supposed to be protected. Attacking them is a violation of the law and a crime against humanity. What is worse, both sides of Sudan conflict are blaming each other. The paramilitary Rapid Support Force, or RSF, say it was the Sudanese Army who carried out a drone strike on the truck. They claim the convoy was coordinated through their humanitarian agency and was on its way from Darfur to Al-Fashir when it was bombed. On the other hand, the Sudanese government said it was the Rapid Support Force, RSF, who attacked the truck. They are calling it a serious crime and said it was an attempt to block aid from reaching besieged civilians. Local sources also reported that administrative buildings were attacked, workers were killed, and vehicles were burned. A volunteer group in Koma even posted video evidence of a burning truck. They too blame Sudanese Army drone. This is not the first attack. Just last week, the World Food Programme office and clinic in Al-Fashir were damaged during shelling. Humanitarian space are no longer served. This is a dark and dangerous time for Sudan. Famine is real. Children are dying. Families are begging for food. But instead of peace and support, they are facing bullets and bombs. Today I want to honor the life of those 5 humanitarian workers who died trying to deliver hope. And I want to call on the international community. Please pay attention. Please take action. This attack must stop. Thank you for watching. And if you care about the people of Sudan, the innocent families caught in the crossfire, please share this video. Subscribe for more updates on East African news. And leave your thought in the comment below. May peace return to Sudan.